Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here to give you another amazing recipe today. Guys, today I'm making some, it's a new recipe guys. Trying it out right in front of you guys. I want you guys to make it the way I make it. Let me know you guys like it. It's breadfruit fritters. It's a Jamaican thing. You know, I know breadfruit should be all over, most in the tropics I should say. People grow it, should be back in Africa. That's a warm place. Anyway, guys, let's get to this breadfruit here. How we're gonna get it done. We're gonna make some fritters out of this. All right. So I washed it already. I'm just gonna get it cut up and in my pot. Show you guys the magic. All right. So guys, okay. This is my breadfruit here, my pot here. This is what's gonna go in this pot. Got some water going. So it's breadfruit, salted fish, fritters. All right. So I got some salted fish going here, which is the codfish. We're gonna get a little bit of salt inside of the water for the breadfruit. All right. We're gonna boil that. All right. So I'm just gonna cut up this breadfruit right now. That's what it looks like inside. Beautiful. This one you could have baked it in the oven and all that stuff. So I washed up breadfruit nicely, as I said, and this is how you peel it. Get the skin off. You take the heart out. And right here, I got some nice scallion right here. These are red stalk scallion, lots of flavor inside. I got 2 sprigs of thyme I'm gonna use. I have some tomatoes, a little bit of onion, not too much. So that's what we're doing. And the codfish right here, I soak it in some cold water from last night. It's been soaking, so get out most of the salt out of it. All right. So now I'm just gonna cut. I'm just cutting these up, just big chunks. Get them inside the water. We're gonna boil the breadfruit. So guys, with this breadfruit back home, Jamaica, put it in soup or you roast it. You can have it with ackee and your codfish, whatever you like. So right now we're just gonna get these tomato cut up right here. Just take out most of the inside because I don't want all that juice on it. So I remove the inside. Dice these up nicely. Time to cut up the scallion. It's already washed. And I dice these up really small, guys. Like a fine dice. It's good. The thyme, I'm just gonna pull all the leaves right off. As I said, it's just 2 sprig I got right there. Should be good enough to give it some flavor. So that's what it looks like in the pot boiling, and that's cooked right now. So I'm gonna turn it off. Try it with a fork. Perfect. That boiled nicely. So right here I got the codfish all washed out, all the salt and broken up in small pieces, and this is all the stuff for it, the scallion and the thyme and the tomatoes, I should say. And this, I'm just gonna mush it up, mash it up. It's like you're mashing potatoes. So right now, guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to this, to the breadfruit. I would say about a teaspoon and a half of salt. And mix this right in. It's mashed nicely, guys. Don't have to be smooth. Alright. Gonna get another spatula right here. I'm just gonna scrape all the scallion and tomatoes right inside the salted fish. Mix that together. We're gonna season with some black pepper. One thing, guys, I can't forget the Scotch bonnet pepper. You need the Scotch bonnet pepper inside of this. So I'm just gonna push this aside, and I'm gonna get a Scotch bonnet. Just gonna dice this up as well. Get that right in there. Need more black pepper. I'm just gonna drizzle a bit of olive oil inside of this so you can mix in the codfish properly. And this is where you gotta let the breadfruit cool down because you gotta use your hands to mix that. So this is where you gotta mix it in with your hands. Still a little bit hot, warm I should say. Some steam coming out of it, but it's good enough for me to mix. So you mix the salted fish right inside with the tomatoes and the scallion and all that good stuff in there. Give it some nice flavor. Alright, and you can taste as you go. If it has enough salt, you can add to it if you like. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna drop a few of these breadfruit and salted fish fritters right here. And if you can look, I flatten them really nicely. Put the heat in medium. And I flatten them really thin, as you can see. I dust a little bit of flour in here so it doesn't get too sticky. And then I drop these right inside the pot there. Gonna get a nice brown color on the outside. So that's the breadfruit and salted fish inside fritters, guys. Alright. Look how lovely they look. Those are beautiful breadfruit fritters going on there, guys. You can do amazing things with your breadfruit. So I took out one batch, guys. That's what they look like right there. They're looking beautiful, nice crisp on the outside. Lovely. And I got these one going. Okay guys, so got a little bit of garnish right here. Gonna put on the plate. Got some tomatoes I cut out right there. We're gonna get these fritters right on it. So guys, that's what I'm talking about. Those beautiful breadfruit fritters right there. Ah, looking lovely. Wonderful. I'm gonna try one right now. I'm sure they're tasty. Alright, so I'm gonna dig in, let you guys know how it turns out. Okay guys, so the fritters I'm gonna try right now. See how the breadfruit fritters turned out? I'll tell you guys honestly. Wow. There's a nice crisp on the outside, guys. That's what I love about it. Wonderful. The codfish, spice from the Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, popping out. Guys, if you can't have flour, trust me, your breadfruit works just fine. You won't miss the flour. This is really good. You get that nice taste from the breadfruit, almost like a roast breadfruit kind of. You know, you roast the breadfruit, then you fry it. That kind of flavor mixed with the salted fish. Wow. This one is up. Wow. This one is a hit. Flavor up. I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keep on liking and sharing the videos. Make this. Let me know how you guys like it. If you're new watching the channel right now, I'm Chef Will. You're on Will's Kitchen Table. Don't forget to hit the red button, subscribe, like and share. And I'll catch you in the next video.